Isn't today wonderful? Nay, just positively the best day ever.
Why, yes, it is quite nice out today.
It is certainly nice. Rather, the sky is what really brings out the color of everyone's eyes today.
Yes, quite definitely.
But even more so. Today everyone just seems like a better person, or maybe just a little happier than yesterday. Yes, today is splendid. Delightful. At least, in the eyes of those around us, I think.
Oh my.
Why? What is the matter, my dear friend? You seem quite disturbed on such a fine day as this. Nay, just absolutely drained of your vitality.
Oh dear God, shut up. Shut up, Jesus Christ, you may be the most annoying person I have ever met in this entire city.
Well, calm down now.
No, I will not calm down. I have had to deal with your asterisk now for 7 months. 7 freaking months. You are like the worst roommate in the world. I only took your because you were the only person who applied. I could have had some awesome college girl in here, but no. Instead I have you. This sad excuse of a person standing in front of me. I mean, look at you, this is pathetic. You're a grown man in front of me and his smiley face box is wearing aviators. Who do you think you are? Duke Nukem? My God, you have to be the most pretentious brown-nosing hipster I have ever seen. Like seriously, who says nay anymore? I'm British and I don't even say nay. What is this bullcrap? Every day I have to deal with your literature bullcrap whenever you learn something new. Dear God, you are a beginner. Then Tom. And Tom is Asian. He spends all day on the computer playing games with his online girlfriend. And yet, he is still our landlord, and is valedictorian of your class, and makes a 6-figure salary off of idiots like you. And I have actually seen that online girlfriend of his, and holy damn, she is hot. And despite that, he still has 3 other girls trying to get with him, who, if you have not already guessed, are also freaking hot. I mean, people like Tom exist. And yet, I am freaking stuck with you. I am a literature professor and you've made me hate literature. I am your professor. When I am in class with you, I feel like my soul is dying. When you raise your hand, I feel like monkeys are beating my heart with over 1,000 mallets. Because of you, I filed my resignation yesterday, and am going back to England. That's right, I am hopping back in my TARDIS and becoming the next Doctor Who. So good luck paying your half of the rent this month when Tom comes, because I am pretty sure he is not going to take Metanoia as payment. No, I'm pretty sure he is going to sell your internal organs on the black market for more riot points, because he is Asian. So good luck with that, Billy. Good luck with that.